Are you feeling weak, low motivation and overall low in energy levels? These are the symptoms of low testosterone. Testosterone is called the king's hormone. Testosterone is primarily produced in males in the testicles. Testosterone is formed in ovaries in women, but in much smaller amounts. The output of testosterone in the body begins to increase considerably in late childhood and continues to decrease after age 30. Testosterone is the main sex hormone and has an immense effect on your bone mass, body weight, mood and red blood cell development. Low levels of testosterone can cause various symptoms, such as weight gain, low sex desire, low energy, depression and low self-confidence. While testosterone levels naturally decrease as you age, you can improve your testosterone levels in several ways to maintain optimal levels in this critical hormone. 1. Stress management. Reducing the stress levels can be easier said than achieved. Research has shown that the cortisol levels are elevated due to chronic stress. Cortisol is a stress hormone that releases the body to small quantities during the day in response to different stimuli. However, chronically high cortisol levels can cause your testosterone levels to fall quickly. 2. Get lots of sunlight. Vitamin D is called vitamin sunlight. In addition to other health benefits including weight loss, a study by German researchers may also act as a natural testosterone booster. Ideally, at least 20 minutes per day of sun exposure to optimize your body's levels of vitamin D. If you live at the far north in a climate with no regular direct sunshine and you are unable to get a daily sun exposure, I highly recommend you add a quality vitamin D product. 3. Fenugreek Supplement. Fenugreek is a herb used to treat various health problems in herbal medicine. Fenugreek is a forest-growing plant containing small brown golden grains. It is commonly used as a seasoning and can be used often in personal care items like shampoo and soap. Fenugreek is a good source of many essential nutrients, but its beneficial effects are primarily used to improve testosterone and libido. In one study, researchers provided 30 men of college with 500 milligrams of fenugreek a day. The men have mixed fenugreek and an 8-week weightlifting plan with 4 workout sessions a week, half of which take supplement. When the Fenugreek Supplement group is compared to the non-supplementary group, a slight decline in testosterone has been observed and the testosterone level in the fenugreek group has been increased. The Fenugreek Supplement party also saw a 2% reduction in body fat. 4. Include meat, eggs and butter into your diet. Red meat is an excellent testosterone booster if it is a leaner variety such as sirloin or top round. Red meat is cholesterol rich, and cholesterol is a direct precursor to testosterone in your body. As any other product, it is vital to choose only the highest quality meat in the supermarket, which means that the grass-fed is a must and organic product if possible. Lean red meat, eggs are an excellent source of saturated fat and cholesterol, helping to raise the natural level of testosterone. 5. Exercising and lifting weights. Exercise is one of the most successful ways to avoid several lifestyle conditions. Interestingly, the testosterone can also improve. A broad review study showed that people who frequently exercised had higher levels of testosterone. Exercise increases testosterone, endurance and response times in elderly people. New research in obese men indicates that increased physical exercise was much more effective for rising testosterone levels than a weight loss diet. Resistance training, such as weightlifting, is the best way to boost both short-term and long-term testosterone. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.